Hello, this is Natalie. Can I help you today?
I'm trying to figure out what is Doordash policy.
It is your duty to read the policy. Hello, this is Natalie. Can I help you today?
I have a question. What is Doordash policy on filling drinks?
Selling drinks?
Yes.
What exactly you mean right now? Well, we have the coffee policy. You know that you cannot drink from it, and you cannot open the drink, and it should be well presented when you are going to provide your drink to the customer.
My question is different. If you look at Thursday, I arrived at Wendy's to pick up an order, and they forced me they gave me an empty cup, and they told me to fill a drink. Which then I said it's against the Doordash policy, but right now I'm trying to figure out what is Doordash policy, because this is becoming more and more often, and the manager came out and said that it's a new Doordash policy for all drivers to fill drinks.
Actually, the merchant normally don't read the policies from the dashers, but in this case, at the moment, we're gonna have to look at that.
And then I said it's actually against Doordash policy, and he says, "Can you explain me this? If all the drivers are doing it, how it can be against the policy? You're the only one causing the problem."
Let me double check that. Mr. Jaroslav, could you please provide me just a minute on hold, just to make sure, what was the name from merchant?
Wendy's.
Wendy's. Okay, could you please give me just a minute on hold, please?
Sure, thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back. Okay, thank you so much for holding, Mr. Jaroslav. In this case, there's not such new policy. In this case, we will be notified for that. If they say that you have to do the drinks and all that you have to do it manually, then by that time you can tell us, and we'll see what can be done with that restaurant specifically, because we actually don't, normally we do not let you to touch the food. Normally they should be packaged and sealed by themselves. We are only taking the order and deliver it to the customer. That's it. We do not manage the food or something like that. It will be different. If it is a shop and delivery, then that is when you grab the items, that is different. Those packages are already sealed. Okay? So if that happens again, then you can tell us, and we'll see if we continue with the order by them doing the drinks, or if we cancel it by merchant will release the food. Okay? Because we do not have such a policy about you guys, doing the drinks. It's their job, it's not your guys' job, okay?
Okay, my question is, why don't Doordash include this message in their weekly email? Why? I called about this multiple times. And every single time I get promised, they will. But till today, nobody said anything about filling drinks. Drivers believe that they should be doing it when they don't even know that they should not, that it is illegal.
I understand, but what happened is that sometimes we do make the reports, but in this case it is the merchant, the one who should provide those instructions to the merchant department, so they can change that or explain to them the policy. Even if we call them and let them know, we are not too sure if they are still going to continue doing that.
No. I'm talking for... Okay, we are contracted with Doordash, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, Doordash does a weekly newsletter release on an email, right?
Yes, something like that.
Okay, why Doordash doesn't include at least once a month an update or a reminder to drivers? They should not be filling the drinks, and they should be reporting those merchants to Doordash.
Well, the thing is that that should be included in, I mean, the driver should be aware, like, of all the policies. If they are still doing that, I mean, even if we provided the reminders, that's something that they should know by reading the independent contract agreement that you guys
Okay,
have.
hold on. Do you know anybody reading that contract? 99.9% of the drivers don't. That's why they do not know, because they don't. And corporate like Doordash doesn't put an effort to educate the drivers. They suspect the drivers to know, but the drivers do not, because who will read a 30-minute or a 2-hour contract when they're not even an attorney? But the contract has been written in attorney language.
I understand that. The thing is that even if I make that kind of request, at the moment I cannot assure you that that will happen. Because, I mean, it is your duty, even if you guys don't do it, it is your duty to read the contract, every kind of contract that you guys sign.
But in real life, how many people actually read the contract that they sign? See,
I understand what you're trying to say, but the thing is that even if they don't do that, I mean, at the moment, the policies are like there. If they want to know the policies, they should read them.
Then why Doordash does not start terminating those drivers that do not know their terms and conditions? Because
that we do not know, like, that they are like violating that if we are not notified, because we are not with you at the moment that you are delivering or completing an order, unless someone complains.
Okay, Penn stations. 99% of the orders that have a drink at Penn Station, those orders are those drinks are being filled by a driver across the whole country. Till today, we still have Penn stations on the Doordash platform, and we still have drivers filling those drinks, and everybody is silent. See, Penn Station, it's a corporate rule for drivers to fill the drink. It's no longer local stores, it's corporate rule.
Well, that depends also on the type of the restaurant. If they are self-service, then that is like different too. But in this case, like I just said, if we can make the report in here, but at the moment I cannot assure you that it will appear in all the mails, because it is your duty to read the policies in our contract when you sign it. If you don't do it, then that is up to you guys. But that is the thing. I cannot manually put it on the mail so all the drivers know, because that is something that you already should know.
Alright, I'll make sure I'll put that on YouTube. And but of course, some drivers know, but majority don't even go on YouTube. Thank you.
I understand, Mr. Tesla. In this case, I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Stay safe.
Take care.